XM is an online broker and trading website that allows clients to trade a range of assets. Founded in 2009, XM Group provides traders with the full MetaTrader platform suite by MetaQuotes Software Corporation. XM Group has evolved into an online multi-asset broker offering 57 currency pairs and 1,000 CFDs. 5 CFDs on cryptocurrencies are also offered, covering Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Risk warning: CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. 71.61% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. You should consider whether you understand how CFDs work and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. XM has 2.5 million clients in 196 countries around the world. So far, it has executed more than 1.4 billion trades with an impressive 0 rejections or requotes. The management team of XM has visited more than 120 cities to meet with partners and clients. The history of XM goes back to 2009 when it was founded. Now, it is an industry leader and a well-established investment firm. XM currently has more than 300 professionals, each of whom has long-year experiences within the financial industry. XM has extensive experience and offers support in more than 30 languages. This helps the broker appeal to those all over the world and of any skill levels. XM also has 16 full-feature trading platforms for clients to choose from. How is XM regulated? The XM brand, XM Group, is a group of online regulated brokers. The group's first entity was founded in 2009 in Cyprus, regulated by CSEC under License 120/10, under the name Trading Point of Financial Instruments Limited. In 2015, the group established an entity, a SIC-regulated, license number 443,670, in Sydney, Australia, and the same year obtained regulatory status in London, FCA-regulated, license number 705,428, under Trading Point of Financial Instruments UK Limited. More recently, XM Global Limited was established in 2017 in Belize, regulated by the IFSC, with license number IFSC/60/354/TS/18. Other legal information. XM Global has its registered address at number 5 Cork Street, Belize City, Belize, CA. XM Global, C. Limited has offices in Cyprus. This is at 36, Macaria and Agias Illness, Galaxias Building, 5th floor, Office 502, 1061, Nicosia, Cyprus. Anyone interested in trading with XM should also be aware of areas where it is not available. Residents from certain countries cannot receive services from XM Global Limited. These include the USA, the Islamic Republic of Iran, and Israel. You can view all of the relevant legal documents for XM on the Legal Documents page of the website. This includes documents such as terms and conditions, the bonus program, the loyalty program, the conflicts of interest policy, and more. At the time of writing, there are 12 documents in this section, all available for download as PDF.